Like this look? Keep watching to make it your own.
Hi! Today I'm doing my makeup in the car. In this heat. Can make breakfast out here.
The eyebrows.
Yeah.
I don't do my eyebrows because I just cut them, but I brushed them today with an eyebrow brush.
Oh my god. Can't see, it's so bright.
Anything else, my dear? Okay.
Actually, my mirror.
The mascara. I meant to put on the eyeliner before the mascara, but he kept distracting me, so that didn't happen. I was laying in bed, and all of a sudden, I'm being carried to the car. I have no shoes on in this video. Well, for the first part of the video.
Now get out my video.
The eyeliner. I don't have any more of the dry eyeliner, so I'm using the liquid eyeliner, and I have to keep shaking it. Don't know why. I don't remember why I have to keep doing that, but I keep shaking it. I literally don't expect anyone outside of family to watch this, and myself. So, if you're not any of those people, hi, what are you doing here?
You used to drying up my makeup. What's going on? Wait, did you bring the... What happened? Oh, I'm trying to fix it. Wait, maybe my Bluetooth is on. I can't share it. I shouldn't be. Yeah. Wait, is my chapstick in here? I just need to put my chapstick in here. Huh?
Talking about if you're I don't even know if you have it.
You brought the bag. I don't know.
Yeah, I put stuff into the bag. I didn't take nothing out. So it wasn't already in there.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's here. I need to calm down. Wait, anyways. My funky shades?
Shades?
Wow. Language.
Chapstick, ooh la la.
Yeah. Haven't posted on here in a long time. Sorry, feature me. I know you wanted to watch these, but we ain't do nothing.
Fix hair.
The wig has been through some things.
I'm not gonna tell a lot of stories, but I will if something comes about and I'm just like, you know what? And another thing. Let me say a little something and then not give context completely. I really struggle trying to undo this dang Death Note necklace.
Bling, 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 cha-ching.
Add some color. Don't do what I did. I do this. I don't know if you should do this, but I just use like eyeshadow. Fix the hair again. Brush, 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 So anyways, he was like, dang, that McDonald's looks kind of big. And I was like, oh yeah, look right there. See, they look like they have the playhouse thing. And he was like, yeah, they look at the playhouse thing. And then I just kept brushing and brushing, drinking water and brushing. forgot to bring. Actually, no. He forgot to bring the curling lash thingy because he put everything in the bag. And I am curling my lashes with my finger because I don't have my lash curler.
That's it.
It was so hot. Like, my phone literally had to take a break. Look at this. Look. Like, what? What? I was recording on my tablet for a little bit, but I just airdropped it to myself, so you would never know the difference, I think. I have a cut on my lip. On my lip. There's a cut on my lip, I said. Yeah. Well, that's it. Long story short. This is how I did my look. That makes me look so glamorous, I know. Alright, enough of that. This is the look. I know I did it out of order, but there's no foundation or anything extra. Just the stuff I consider the usual parts of putting on makeup and sweat. That's all for today. I'm logging off.